Before an AI coding agent writes a single line, your feature has to be clear enough to build. And here's the trap. A first draft usually looks finished. It rarely is. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn a rough feature package into one your team and your AI agent can actually build from. Let's go. Start with a simple structure. Create a folder called Features. Inside it, add one folder for your feature. We'll use AI-assisted support ticket triage. That feature folder holds just two files, acceptance.feature, your scenarios written in Gherkin, and nfrs.markdown, your non-functional requirements. Paste in your draft 0. This is your raw first cut, straight from your generator. Don't polish it. Polishing is the skill's job. Now let's get the skill. In Claude, open Customize, then the Plugins tab. Under Personal Plugins, click the plus and choose Add Marketplace. Pick Add from a repository and enter Accelerated Innovation/govkit plugins. That registers the marketplace, but it doesn't install anything yet. So click Browse Plugins, find govkit, and hit Install. That one plugin brings in the skill we need, govkit-feature-refine. Open Cowork and add the features folder you just created to your workspace. That's what lets Claude read your files. Then start the skill. Type a / and choose govkit-feature-refine, or simply ask Claude to refine the feature package in your triage folder. That's all it takes. The skill takes it from here. First, the skill reads your package and plays it back, a plain language summary of what this feature actually does. Then it scores how ready it is to build and issues a development token. Our triage example comes back blocked, and it tells you exactly why. It's an AI classifier with no evaluation criteria, no accuracy target, no human review path. It handles customer tickets with no privacy rule, and the word urgent is never defined. These are the gaps that quietly become bugs the moment a coding agent starts guessing. From here, the skill walks your team, product, QA, and engineering, through fixing them together. One question at a time, rewriting weak scenarios, filling the gaps until the score comes up. When the package is complete and the token turns green, you're done refining. Copy the finished feature folder into your project repository. And now your team can begin development, pairing with an AI coding agent that finally has a spec worth building. Refine first, build once. That's governed AI delivery.